Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your go-to spot for the best Amazon deals and honest reviews. Before we jump in, quick heads up, I've added all the Amazon best deal links down in the description, so if you see something you like, you can check today's price right there. Now, let's talk about something every home cook and baker really needs, a good kitchen scale. You might be thinking, why buy a kitchen scale if I already have cups and spoons? Here's the deal. Measuring by weight is way more accurate than measuring by volume. It means consistent baking results, better portion control if you're tracking macros, and an easier time following international recipes. Bottom line, once you start using a kitchen scale, you won't want to go back. So today, I'm breaking down the top 5 kitchen scales in 2025 that combine accuracy, ease of use, and great value for your money. Number 5. Etexity Food Kitchen Scale, Digital Grams and Ounces. If you're looking for a stylish and reliable kitchen scale that makes meal prep effortless, the Etexity Food Scale is a fantastic choice. With its sleek green finish and bright LCD display, it not only looks modern on your countertop, but also makes weighing foods super simple. It measures in both grams and ounces with accuracy, perfect for baking, portion control, or following keto diets. The tare function lets you reset the scale after placing a bowl so you only measure what matters. Compact yet durable, it's ideal for everyday use, whether you're tracking macros or perfecting your recipes. Number 4. Ozeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale. Trusted by thousands of home cooks, the Ozeri Pronto is all about simplicity and precision. With its large digital display and easy 2-button operation, it's user-friendly and beginner-friendly. This scale instantly converts between units, so you can switch from grams to ounces with just a tap. Its standout feature is the responsive tare button, making it effortless to weigh multiple ingredients in one bowl. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Ozeri Pronto is perfect for anyone who wants a no-fuss, reliable scale that just works, ideal for portion control, baking, or meal prep. Number 3. Nicewell 22-pound Digital Food Scale, Stainless Steel and Glass. If you want something that combines modern design with heavy-duty capacity, the Nicewell Digital Food Scale has you covered. With a maximum weight of 22 pounds and precise graduation down to 1 gram or 0.1 ounce, it's built for everything from tiny spices to big meal prep portions. The stainless steel platform with tempered glass not only makes it durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The large backlit LCD is easy to read, and the tare function ensures quick, accurate measurements. If you're a serious baker or someone who cooks in larger batches, this scale delivers both accuracy and style. Number 2. Escali Primo Digital Food Scale, Compact and Precise. The Escali Primo has been a favorite among home cooks and pros for years, and for good reason. Compact, reliable, and incredibly easy to use, it offers precise weight measuring in a simple, no-frills design. Its sealed control panel protects against spills, and the 2-button operation makes it quick to use. Whether you're measuring flour for bread or tracking calories for portion control, it's accurate and consistent. Plus, its small size makes it easy to tuck away in a drawer. If you value practicality and durability, the Escali Primo is a timeless choice. Number 1. Crownful Food Scale, 11-pound Digital Stainless Steel. Rounding out the list is the Crownful Digital Food Scale, offering a perfect balance of affordability, durability, and smart features. With a weight capacity of 11 pounds and 6 different measurement units, it's versatile enough for everything from baking cookies to prepping meals. The 304 stainless steel surface makes it resistant to stains and easy to clean, while the LCD screen is clear and simple to read. It also comes with a built-in coin battery, so you can start using it right away. With its tare function and compact size, this scale is a great everyday companion for any kitchen. So there you have it, the top 5 kitchen scales on Amazon right now. Which one do you think fits your kitchen best? Let me know in the comments. And remember, all the Amazon Best Deal links are waiting for you in the description, so don't forget to check today's price. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because here at Consumer Heaven, we're always bringing you the latest Amazon deals and reviews you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.